Intensa has a rich history of providing quality furnishings to healthcare and higher education institutions. They offer one of the largest color stories for medical and laboratory settings, featuring multiple textile collections with extensive color palettes, matching patterns, and non-PVC vinyls. They even accept custom materials to match your specific design needs, giving interior designers limitless opportunities to incorporate color into medical and lab spaces. From the beginning, Intensa offered physician exam stools with 3 distinct base options in a wide spectrum of colors. They've since expanded to offer an array of medical furniture, such as exam stools, manual and power-assisted exam tables, phlebotomy chairs, patient and guest seating, and casework to provide storage and functionality to the exam room. For the laboratory setting, Intensa understands the unique needs of each lab and provides adaptable solutions. Seating options include an array of lab stools and ergonomic chairs. Intensa's modular casework has interchangeable components, allowing you to infinitely reconfigure your case goods to suit any lab environment, such as research, pharmaceutical, healthcare, industrial, education, and government. Intensa also offers a line of behavioral health furniture. After their acquisition by Graham Field in early 2018, Intensa expanded its offerings to include medical recliners and resident beds, further providing for all your medical furniture needs. Intensa holds contracts with GSA and Veterans Health Association, IDIQ. If you'd like to chat with one of our experts or visit our showroom to view a sampling of products from Intensa, contact the Ginger Grant Group today.